How you doing, YouTube, TikTok? I just want to give a shout out to this company, Starbond. I want to do a quick thing about them. I have to fill a little knot. The company is amazing. The products come in various thicknesses. I've got the medium, thick brown, and before when I would fill or fix parts with yellow glue, it would take a half an hour. This takes 15 seconds or less. So I'm going to turn the camera down and show you what I'm talking about. A little bit of accelerant and a little bit of medium brown. This is sapele. And there it goes. And now, just going to sand it down. And that's it. That stuff is awesome. The company Starbond is awesome. I highly recommend it.